Hello student, so welcome to today's class, that definite integration by reduction formula. So we know in integrations we know about how to find the reduction formula of some trigonometric functions, right? Now we will discuss in definite integration the reduction formula, right? Now come to the definition of this. So this is a one result is given. Through this you can understand how to find the recurrence and the reduction formula of these functions, right? Now what is given is, if in equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin power n x, then in equal to n minus 1 by n into in minus 2 for n belongs to natural numbers and where n is greater than or equal to 2, right? Now we know the integration of the by parts, right? Earlier we discussed about integration of by parts, that is, suppose u into v dx is equal to, right, where u and v are the functions in terms of x. Integration of that is u into integration of v dx minus integration of derivative of u into integration of v dx, right? Derivative of the function that we know, or else you can write this as the derivative of the function u dash into this. This is the integration by parts, you know. By using this result, you will prove the reduction formula of integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin power n x dx, right? Now look at here how to proceed. It is in equal to what is given, that we will write now, integration of 0 to pi by 2, right, sin power n minus 1 into x into sin x we can write, right? We are rewriting this as sin power n minus 1 into x into sin x into dx, sin x dx. Now let it be, it is u and this is v. Sin power n minus 1 x, that is u take, and sin x that we take as v, that equal to sin power u into sin power n minus 1 into x into integration of sin x, which is minus cos x minus integration of derivative of the first function, that is derivative of sin power n minus 1 into x, sin power that is n minus 1 into sin power n minus 2 x dx into internal derivative of sin x we know as cos x into integration of this sin x we have to write, which is minus cos x into dx, right? The limits of this it is given as limits of this function is given as from 0 to pi by 2, it is 0 to pi by 2, and 0 to pi by 2, it is 0 to pi by 2, right? We apply the integration limits for this. See, cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin 0 is 0, therefore this total becomes as 0, this term becomes 0 minus, here minus of minus plus will get plus into, and moreover sin x cos x into cos square x, right? The cos square x you can write as 1 minus sin square x, therefore if we rewrite n minus 1 is a constant, take it out, and 0 to pi by 2 integration of, it is 1 minus sin square x into cos square x, you are writing 1 minus sin square x into sin power n minus 2 x dx, right? So, finally, we will get the answer as, look at here, if you remove the bracket and apply the integrations 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 1 into sin power n minus 2 x, that is sin power n minus 2 x dx, right, minus if you multiply these two, you will get integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin power n x dx, fine, if you multiply these two terms. So, it is given as in, right, and moreover it is multiplied with n minus 1. So, it is n minus 1 of, right, this total it multiplied with n minus 1. Okay. Now, it is, if you remove the bracket further, you will get n minus 1 into integration of, see, look at, in the place of n, if you write n minus 2, in the place of n if you write n minus 2, we are getting this function, right. Therefore, we can write this as I n minus 2, right. If you replace n as n minus 2, we are getting this function. Therefore, it is I n minus 2, and itself is n, it is I n. Therefore, minus n minus 1 into I n. I am remove the brackets. If you multiply with n minus 1, you will get this, fine. Now, further simplify. Therefore, this I n term like left hand side and take I n as common, we will left with 1 minus n plus 1, right, it is minus n minus 1 will get. So, this is plus n minus 1 will get, right, minus 1, because this minus you are taking left hand side, right. So, plus n minus 1 will get into I n is equal to n minus 1 into I n minus 2, right. Therefore, finally, what we will get? The result is, we will get the result, these two get cancelled. So, left with n into I n equal to n minus 1 into I n minus 2. Therefore, finally, I n equal to n minus 1 by n into I n minus 2. It is the result need to prove. I n equal to n minus 1 by n into I n minus 2, where n is a natural number which is greater than or equal to 2, right. This is by using integration by parts, you are derived this. Okay. Now, come to one example, and next one, if you go for this, integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin power n x dx equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 and so on, 1 by 2 into pi by 2 if n is even. This is the result for n equal to odd. This is if n is equal to odd. Okay. So, what is the result we proved earlier is I n equal to, that is n minus 1 by n into I n minus 2, right. Further, if you extend this, if you write the value of I n minus 2, what you will give is n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into I n minus 4 will give, right, n minus 4, and so on. Now, for if n is even, for instant you understand, if for n is even, n equal to 8 if you take, the next you will get 6, next you will get 4, next is 2, next is 0 will come, right, because n should not be 0, so where you stop with I2, you stopped with I2, right, for n is even. Suppose n is odd, now proceed for this I2. So, what you will get is n minus 1 by n if you look at the pattern here. If you start with n from the denominator, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, n minus 5 and so on, right. So, it is better you proceed through the denominator, n minus 1, here is n minus 2, it is n minus 3 into here the denominator n minus 4, it is n minus 5 and so on and so on. The last term we left with I2, right. Before what you left with is it is 4 and this is 3. Okay. Now, we need to calculate I2. What is the value of I2? I2 means here in the place of n we need to write 2, right. That means I2 is nothing but I2 equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x, it is sin square x dx, right. Now, we need to find the value of this. So, sin square x in terms of cos we know 1 minus cos 2x, that is integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2x dx, right. This is the value. If we integrate this, integration of 1 is x will get minus integration of cos 2x is it is sin 2x by 2, right. The limits from 0 to pi by 2 we need to 0 to pi by 2. Now, it is pi by 2, if you apply the upper limit pi by 2 and it is sin 2x into pi by 2 is sin pi will get whose value is 0, right. Now, come to the upper limit is you will get pi by 2 minus the lower limit is 0, if you substitute you will get total term is 0, therefore, you will get pi by 2 which is pi by 2, right. So, I2 value is pi by 2 we got finally, therefore, in the place of this if you write this we will get pi by 2 if n is even, okay, fine. Now, come to if n is the odd case, if n is odd what you will get, see in the place of n if you write odd what you will get, look at. Suppose instantly you understand this, suppose n 7 you take odd, right. Next term we will get 5, next is 3, next is 1 will get, okay. That means we need to find I1 at the last, here we need to find I1, right. Therefore, it means that what we will get the recurrence formula from 0 to pi by 2 if we take sin power nx dx equal to we will get n minus 1 into denominator is n minus 2, numerator n minus 3, right, into and so on. The last what we will get is I1 will get, right. Before that if for odd we will get it is 3, it will be 2, okay. Now, I1 need to calculate I1. I1 means in the place of n you have to write 1 which is integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx we need to find, sin x dx. That is we know how to calculate. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, we need to apply the limits from 0 to pi by 2, okay. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and right minus of 0 minus, if you apply lower limit 0 cos 0 is 1 whose value is 1, is 1. Therefore, I1 equal to 1 we will get. Therefore, this is the result for n is odd and this is pi by 2 ends with pi by 2 if n is even, okay. This is the way you need to understand reduction formula of definite integration in this chapter, right. Thank you.